That's it, friend? Yes.
Hey friends, today I am gonna show you that a new feature of the YouTube have the YouTube Studio Beta. It's the best features and that is launched in YouTube. When you open your YouTube channels and you can find the dashboards upper corners, the YouTube Beta Studio, and just like that. And this is opens my YouTube Beta Studios. When you are open your YouTube channels and you can find these features like that, I can show to you. And this is this is my YouTube channel. This is the dashboards upper sides have the YouTube Studio Beta. This is the back features and look like a very digital your YouTube channels, and this is the like old one. And now YouTube has launched the Creators Studios YouTube Beta Studios. You can also use these features and check out this, and this is a digitals and looks like it's a very different. This is the most beautiful and I really like these features. First, subscribe my channel if you want to any technical solutions and technical knowledge. You can comment me and like me and subscribe my channels. Let's start. When you click on this YouTube Studio Betas and you are enter into the YouTube Studio is the new features of the YouTube. And this is now opening, and this is my channels and this is my Studio Beta, and here all your videos, channel videos are showing in these panels, and this is visibility to publics and dates that I uploaded it, views and comments just like that. And this is show to you all video details are here. So here is the analytics is showing your analytic details, your all corners, all details of your YouTube channels, earnings and likes, comments, just like that. It is showing your details. And this is the analytics, and it's through my internet speed is little bit slow, so the network is working slow. And here is the analytics, and here all the information as watch times, here views, here subscribers, your estimated revenues, here all details are here. And this is the top videos and the views of these videos and the reach views, and this is the option of the reach views, views that access to my videos. And traffic source externals are here's the panels of all details of your videos. This is the amazing and best features of the YouTube, I think. And the top videos here and build an audience, and here is the unique views and average views per view, subscribers, all details are here. And returns not subscribed here, subscribed here, and top countries, and here subtitles, this is languages and genders, and here is the genders, and here is the age that watched my videos. And you can find these top titles are, and here the earn also thing. So my channel is new now this times, and earning is starters, and here is the earning revenue 0.004, 0.03 and little bit started. And this is the all your earning details will be here. And here is the comment panels and comment. This is show your all your comment in your channels, and hyper reviews and likely spams. All your options of comments are just like that. Here is your settings, Creator Studio Classics, YouTube Studio Betas. This is the latest one, this is roll one, and this is the latest features of the YouTube Creator Studio Classics and set as default studios. And if you want to this the Beta Studio as a default studios, and the first one was the first one that was the classic studio of the YouTube's, and now this is that is showing that this is the Studio Beta, the latest features of the YouTube's. If you want to set as the default, you can click on it, and when you open your YouTube channels, and your YouTube channel will be just like that. The Classic Studio will not be open. This will set your Studio Beta as a default features. This is the amazing features of the YouTube. And if you have any problems, any technical videos, any software problems, you can comment me, like me, share me, and like us, and subscribe my channel. So you can also find me on social medias. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channels, and take care.